How to fix Snapchat camera. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open that Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Click now on the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now what you should do, you have to go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you back to the settings and go to permissions and go to camera. Make sure that is here, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.